Okay. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams. Before we do any top-down analysis, we're just going to clean our charts. Start with some fresh analysis. Let's do this first. Okay, great. Okay. Interesting. So before we do any top-down analysis, we're just gonna check Forex Factory if we have any high impact news coming out. Let's see. We had FOMC meetings coming out that came out at 4 a.m. this morning. Wasn't up to trade that. We have a couple of high impact news that came out for the Australian dollar at 11:30 p.m. Unemployment rate actually, and as far as London session goes, I don't think we have any high impact news coming out for London session, but we do have unemployment claims coming out for NY session later on during NY session, 10:30 p.m. So that's going to be interesting. But as far as London session goes, no high impact news for London session. I think we're going to have a nice, clean price action session for London session. So without any further ado, we're going to start now doing our top-down analysis. Starting on the high time frames. Let's actually look at what the weekly time frame is doing right now. Gold. Oh man, this doesn't look too good. Computer's lagging a little bit. So looking at gold right now on the weekly time frame, we have price trading below the support after last week's candle broke and closed below that support. So I think we could potentially anticipate some nice bearish momentum coming in to correct some of these moves over here. We do have clean traffic to the left on the weekly time frame, so we'll see if we can follow through on the lower time frames, which is the daily and the 4 and the lower time frames below that. So that's what we're looking at right now. Looking at the daily time frame, we are kind of bullish on the daily time frame after yesterday's daily candle close without the bottom wick. We also have to take into consideration also the fact that we have a kind of a rejection wick over here. The last time price was in this, the last time price traded in these levels were at the 15th of March and the 29th of June. So when price came down to these levels, we had a rejection going back towards the upside. So we could potentially have some bullish momentum plays coming in, but we'll have to see what structure tells us in the lower time frame. So dropping down to the lower time frame now, which is the 4 time frame, we can clearly see there's some interesting things going on over here on the 4 time frame. I have to go a little bit slow because my computer is lagging a little bit. Now, just looking at the 4 time frame right now, we're kind of bullish on the 4 time frame after creating support here at 1892 actually. So the formation of the first forward candle of today's Asian session closed bullish, creating support, and then we have the current forward candle kind of tried to tap into the support, and now we're currently pushing bullish at the moment. If we do continue bullish on the 4 time frame, we do have clean traffic on the 4 time frame all the way up to 1906. This resistance area over here was created last night during London session, so could potentially anticipate. We could potentially have price really pushing up to this level now. Yeah, we'll see. But in any case, we do have the psychological level over here at 1900. So we'll see if price can come up to 1900 or potentially reject it. So that's the 4 time frame. Now dropping down to our execution time frames, which is the 1 hour time frame and the 30-minute time frame. Ooh. Now this is where it gets a little bit interesting right now. The 1 hour time frame. Holy shit. Okay, just looking at the 1 hour time frame right now, we had this previous 1 hour candle, so much bullish momentum on the previous 1 hour candle, really breaking above this minor resistance over here. But the only problem I have with the previous 1 hour candle is it closed without a top wick. So we'll see if the next one kind of follows through with it, or maybe it could come down potentially, uh, create some sort of support above 1980, 93.50, then I'd be comfortable taking buys in that level, going back bullish. But otherwise, strong bullish momentum from the previous 1 hour candle. We could follow through with this current candle potentially, but we'll see what's happening on the 15-minute, the 30-minute time frame right now. Ooh, it's a little bit tricky at this point, though. Okay, now looking at the 30-minute time frame, I think we could say that. Let's see. Yeah, we could say the previous. This 1 hour support is also holding on the. This 1 hour resistance over here is also holding on the 30-minute time frame. So really can't take the. We can't just ignore that. Yeah, what I can see from this from price action right now is we kind of have a break of structure right here now. So we had a series of lower downtrend over here, and we have this lower high over here break, and now we currently have a new high over here. So we do have a minor uptrend over here. So if anything, we could potentially drive bullish, going back bullish. But any trade below 1983.50 on the 5-minute time frame is going to be cancelled. I'm not going to take any buys. I think at this point now, I'm not going to be taking any sells at this point. For now, we're just going to be looking to take buys to potentially test the highs at 1993. I think we could potentially tap into the 1900 level for this session. Definitely think so. So what's going to happen right now is based on the 30-minute time frame right now and looking at the 15-minute time frame, yeah, we could have a continuation towards the upside, man. Like strong bullish momentum from the previous 30-minute 1 hour candle. So we could have a nice drive towards the top at this point. We'll just have to wait and see how big of a range this is. Actually, not a bad range, to be honest. Actually, this is actually not a bad range. So everything is looking good on the 30-minute time frame. But we'll have to wait and see. Or we could have a deeper liquidity grab. Holy shit, okay. Dropping down to the 50-minute time frame right now. I think we're about to close bullish on the 50-minute time frame. Maybe we could have a play to retest the highs, maybe. Yeah. Just executed an entry right here. Anticipating the next 50-minute candle to really retest the highs. Hmm. Exact point of entry is at 1996.19. 1996.19. There we go. This thing's actually moving pretty nicely right now. Got a one lot popped on this trade. I'll probably take 10 pips off the table, but we'll see. I'm trying to see if we can attempt to flip bullish on the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour candle, and then I'm gonna look to secure profits. I'll probably take everything on the table at that point. Guys, stop losses is subjective, guys. So stop losses are just there to protect ourselves from blowing our account, but you know, I think it's more of a mental thing. You know what I mean? Hey, Idba, what's up? What's up? What's up, mate? How you doing? How you doing, bro? We have this 15-minute candle starting to flip bearish again. Doesn't look too good. Oh no. This is like I should put it up here. That's better. I'm good, bro. I'm good. We could potentially have our first loss of the week here. You're holding cells? Nice. Why are you holding cells, bro? I'm just gonna manage risk as we go along. Probably add a little. Oh, you sent the screenshot in the group? Let's see. Holy shit, guys. Oh, you sent it in the PNG random news group. So this was trade, bro. Any reason why these trades were taken? Please enlighten us, cause I'm a little bit confused here on when and where you took this entry. You probably took this entry on the 1 hour time frame, eh? Holy shit. Okay, good. So we might have an opportunity to scale in right now. In 5 minutes, this 30-minute candle is gonna close. and we shall see if we have an opportunity to scale in, but it's gonna be interesting. Guys, I just saw this message on Discord that somebody's using my videos on TikTok. Guys, I don't have a TikTok account. Come on. Come on, man. Whoever's using my videos on TikTok, come on, please, bruh. Just stop it. Get some help. Yeah. Yeah, so I have safe stops on this one. And TP for this, I don't know. I'll probably take it out at like 10, 20 pips maybe. Maybe 20 pips. I really think we could tap into 1900 at this point. Like, I'm not even kidding. Might have an opportunity to scale in, guys. Just might. Guys, can somebody screenshot that account that's on TikTok that's using my videos? I'd appreciate it. I mean, if anyone can screenshot it, please do so. Send it in Discord so I can. I don't have a Discord account. I don't even have the app on my phone. And now that I just found out that somebody's using my videos on TikTok, makes me wanna create an account just to see it. But I really don't want to get on TikTok. Do you know any successful scalping trader? Yeah, man. A lot. I know a lot. Um, Warrior Trading is pretty legit. This guy is, I think Warrior Trading is the best, like, live day trader on YouTube. I mean, out there, because this guy just, but he doesn't trade forex. He trades stocks, and he has some verified. His PNL is pretty much verified, so it's been verified independently by an accounting firm, maybe. So check him out. He's not someone who really flashes his lifestyle and all that shit. He's more into the educational stuff, but he also trades live every morning for, I think, NYSE Open. But he trades stock, but his mindset, strategy, and how he views the markets, you know, you could pretty much incorporate it into forex. And yeah, not saying that I trade like him. I trade differently. His trading style is very hands-on. Trading style is very hands-on. Probably like 20, 30 positions in a session, maybe, depending on the volatility of the market. But you know, Okay, we have the new 30-minute candle open right now, so let's see how this is gonna go about. Previous one cannot close without a like a wick bearish candle, so I think we still have some bullish momentum coming in. I think we have a little bit of juice to drive bullish still, so see. Did you earn on your first purchase of your first prop firm? Nope. Blew that shit right out of the water. Ah. I'm trying to see if I can get a scale in. Maybe if we pull back a little bit down to 1995.50, then I'll probably look to get a scale in there. If not, then we'll just let it go. Thoughts on futures trading? I have no idea. Nah, haven't really looked into it. Why don't you try anything else than gold? Because I have tried everything else. Trust me. The only reason I'm with gold right now is because I've tried everything else and I've settled with gold. So if I'm making money on gold, I really don't see the need to try anything else, to be honest. Can push down a little bit more, then I'm gonna look to get a scale in. Just doing a bottom work to really drive bullish now. Okay, guys, I think I have another scale in over here. Got another scaling position right here. Stop's gonna be the same. And if you drive further down to 1994.59, then I'm gonna have my last scaling. But this right here will be our trade for the session. $19.92 is our stop loss. No. No live simulations until I get my Windows computer. I'm using an Apple computer right now, so no live simulations yet. But I saw somebody creating an MT5 simulator, so that's gonna be interesting. Hopefully I can get my Windows computer soon. Then I, I wouldn't hesitate to get my hands on it. But I don't know if it's been released yet. I don't know if it's been released yet, but do we have any news coming out for USD? This Labor Force Australia. I think this was the only significant news that came out. We did have what's this? Further China intervention. This news here could definitely start taking major Chinese state-owned banks selling dollars to buy yen. Holy shit! Okay, this news right here. This could pop gold price up. People are gonna start rushing to buy gold, making gold to drive bullish, because this is pretty significant. Major Chinese state-owned banks selling dollars to buy yen yuan have been doing so earlier this week during Asia hours, also during London and US hours. Once again, it's inactive today. Holy shit! Okay, that's pretty interesting. But keeps popping up, and then during NY session, these banks from NY session keeps popping the price back bearish. It was said, do you trade indie? No, nah, man, I don't trade indie. What's that, bro? What's the symbol for indie? Oh, indices. Ah, shit. Nah, bro. I don't trade indices. I don't trade indices, bro. I think structure on indices. I mean, I wouldn't know too much about structure on indices, but gold, because gold is a universally traded instrument, I think the structure on gold is pretty decent. And there's not a lot of impact on gold. There's not a lot of things can really significantly impact gold other than this high impact news that comes out, like NFP and retail sales and all that. But during London session and Asian session, there's really nothing that could really significantly impact gold. That's why price action and structure on gold during London session is one of my favorites. With indices, that shit gets volatile from time to time. So, if I were you, I'd be careful trading indices. But I guess people have different preferences. I mean, I think I did try trading indices in my earlier stages of my career, but decided to do away with it. Yeah, like I said, I have tried everything in the books. All the pairs that you can think of, from all the majors to all the minors. Even traded a little bit of crypto, just a little bit, and tried all sorts of trading from all sorts of time frames, from the 4 time frame to the daily time frame to 5 minute to 1 minute. Tried everything, and this is what I've settled with. So I really don't see the need to change what's making my bread and butter. Well, my overall target on gold is 1904, but we do have a psychological level at 1900, so just anticipating price to come up to that level. If it doesn't, then I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how we can manage risk along the way. I mean, this is actually not the full risk that I've allocated. I mean, decided to allocate during this London session. Not the full risk that I wanted to allocate. That's why my stop loss is a little bit wide. Just giving my trade a little bit of room to move a little bit. Based on how yesterday's daily candle closed, I'm kind of anticipating yesterday's daily candle high to get taken out. Kind of. Yeah, so but we'll see. See how that plays out. Uh hello, we are together in buys. Nice, bro. Well, we are together in a Jordan right now, and we're going to be together in a loss soon. Nah, I'm kidding, bro. Amazing, bro. Like, make sure if you're gonna take a buy, only risk what you're comfortable losing. Don't try to overtrade. Don't try to over risk. So I have taken two positions already, but like I said, this is not my full risk for this session. I have full allocated risk for this session. I'm willing to risk a little bit more because I've uh, I've been profitable this whole week so far, so I'm willing to risk a little bit of my profits. So if I get a little bit of confirmations in drawdown, then you know I could potentially scale in to maximize my profits. Potentially. Keyword potentially, guys. Yeah, I think my target is pretty justified. We have clean traffic to the left, so if anything, gold could just have a nice rally towards the highs. That would be nice. I have risk free in D30 now. Can scan now did send screenshot. Let's see. Uh, so let's see. DE30 euro. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So you took an entry right here, anticipating this resistance to break and volume from London session to really drive price bullish. So yeah, nice, amazing, bro. I mean, you're risk free, then that's nice. That's actually a pretty nice trade, bro. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. This was the 30-minute time frame. Ah, nice, very nice. Yeah, we're kind of tanking bearish at the moment. What do you mean? What do you mean GBP is killing you? Come on, man. Drawdown all day. Well, bro, this is why this is why I don't really take trades on the higher time frames, especially the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. You could be in a drawdown for hours, man, and that plays like that kind of it depends on each individual, but I could say for the majority of people, being in a drawdown for more than a day, for like hours and hours and hours, that's it kind of fucks you up a little bit in the head, to be honest. So, I mean, see how you can manage risk, bro. Like, if the candles are closing against you, then there's really no need to stay in the trade. But if things are still lining up, then hold it. When you take trades on these higher time frames, like the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, and drawdowns, you can be in drawdowns for hours, man. Hours. Yeah, well, if you find my stream lagging, don't worry about it. It's I don't have like the fanciest equipment. I only have my laptop and the screens. But if you find, and the internet, my internet here too is pretty shit sometimes. So if it's lagging, my apologies. It is what it is. What broker spreads are better? There's only one way to find out, man. Like you have to, I guess, check out the different prop firms. Some firms demo spreads not the same as the live accounts. So I think, you could always check reviews online, but then I think the best way to go about it is to open live accounts with different brokers that you're weighing out, and then choose the best one. That's my opinion. But yeah, every broker is different. Yeah, I'm expecting the price at 1997, the highs at 1997 to be retested. That's why I took this trade. Um, Previous 1 hour candle tools has like a weak bearish candle, so I really feel that we have some bullish, like a little bit of juice to still go dry bullish. That's why I'm taking this trade, but I'm not gonna really hold it for long because we might have a rejection pre end my session. So if we can get a a good amount of profits, maybe tap into 1897.50, that would be nice. And we'll see how we can secure positions over here. What could also happen is we could just do a top wick on the 1 hour candle and then dry bearish. So it's, it could go either way. But our stops are safe. We have safe stops, no hard stops, safe stops, and this is not my full, like I said, not my full allocated risk for this session. I'm pretty much trying to risk some of my profits that was made throughout the week. So based on how yesterday's daily candle closed without a bottom wick, I think we could definitely have some strong bullish momentum. Really anticipating yesterday's candle highs to get broken. No lie. What do you think of GJ? I have no idea. I have no idea what's happening on GJ right now, but if you insist, we could check it out. What's happening on GJ right now? The 4 time frame. 4 time frames in range. That means the 1 hour time frames. Holy shit! Look at this. This is nasty, man. Ah, shit. This is nasty. This right here is just something I don't. Yeah, nah. That is not ideal. Nope. GJ is in range, so I'm just gonna stop my analysis at that. You ask me what's happening on GJ, it's ranging, so that's all I can say about GJ. The 4 kind of retracing on gold right now, but you know, we'll see. Nope. One day. Haven't been to Dubai yet, but one day, man. One day. Maybe soon. Who knows? Maybe before the end of the year. Yes, I am currently funded with TFT, the funded trader. The only reason I didn't really advocate for funding challenges, but recently these funding challenges have been like because of competition, they pretty much removed their their trading days from 30 to unlimited now. So you know why not? You know because before when they had the 30-day limit for the funding for the challenges, I was pretty much discouraged to take any challenges of these prop firms. But after after most of these top prop firms in the industry removed the 30-day limit to unlimited trading days, I just decided to put money down on TFT to try it. And you know, it really takes a load off psychologically, to be honest. There's 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 really no difference anymore on how you could trade these challenges. You know, back then I used to say if you were gonna trade these 30-day challenges, you should trade it differently from your live account because it has a limit. You have to clock 10% in 30 days, which is not really 10%, but you have to clock a certain amount within 30 days, and that puts pressure on you. But once they remove the 30-day limit, I figure, man, if it takes me 100 days to get a funding account or 30 days or 50 days, so be it. I could just trade it just like my live account. All I need to do is just get used to increasing my risk, and that's it. So yeah, I'm actually trading my live account right now with TFT. So I'm actually trading this very conservatively because I'm just focused on getting my refund. So that's in 30 days. So, but after I get my refund, and then I'll try to go a little bit aggressive on this because after we get our refund, then we pretty much don't have any money down, so we could do whatever, right? How much hours do you give in trading? 2 to 3 hours a day. 4 hours max. 4 hours max. Um, like we've only been on the chats for less than an hour right now. It's been like 50 minutes. Seems like a long time to me. I really don't like trading for more than 5 hours, 6 hours. Then that's gets how do I put it? uh, you start making some stupid decisions if you stay on the charts too long. And if you stay on the charts too long, you make a mistake of dropping down to the lower time frames. You know, we come onto the charts, we analyze the charts, see something, we anticipate the next candle to drive bullish or bearish, or we anticipate the forward candle to continue with momentum or reject, and then we execute on it. And if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Close the charts, come back the next day. Some people just stay on the charts and, you know, fuck themselves up psychologically. Like guys, you have to understand, it's not about protecting your capital. It's about protecting your mental state. So you really don't need more than 3 hours max on the charts every day. Just take the trade. If you win, you win. If you lose, you lose. Call it a session. Come back the next day. No, I didn't trade CPI. CPI came out at like 4 a.m. 4 a.m. this morning. Well, no, not CPI. Sorry. FOMC. I mean, yeah, that was the high impact news. Yeah, I didn't trade FOMC. I don't know what happened with FOMC. FOMC came out at 4 a.m. So this was the FOMC right here. This right here. Holy shit. Messy. Straight mess, man. Straight mess. 4:30, this drip down, and then the following candle here just continue. 4:30, 5 o'clock. Okay. Hmm? Yeah. Gold is chilling at the moment. Gold is just chilling. You know, the only thing that sucks for me with this wallet account that I have is they only have two payment methods. One is deal and the other one is crypto. And I really don't have a crypto wallet or anything. And deal is not applicable in my country, so um I'm just gonna wait it out till payout date, and I'll try to see if they can just put it straight into my bank account. Cause I want to be honest, I really don't know how to use this. I really don't know how to open an account with this crypto wallets and wallets and shit. I did see something about Coinbase and all that, but it's just too complicated. Didn't really look into it. So hopefully, hopefully they can make an exception for me. Uh, when it's time to when payout day comes. So hopefully, hopefully. Hopefully we can have some volume coming in at the back end of the hour now. Uh, we had strong bullish volume at 4 p.m. 5 p.m. had no volume at all, and we are at 6 p.m. right now. Holy, oh fuck. Oh, that's a good question. Um, when I started off trading, it was only about making fuel money and uh, trying to pay for my breakfast and meals and all that. It's just started small, and then slowly increased. You know, after that, started paying for my credits, and I eventually started living off it. So I think if you come into this game with like a mentality that you're going to get like a huge house and you know you're gonna get a new car and all that, I think that's I mean, it's not like you could avoid it. Everybody that comes into the game feel like this is a way to make money, but to be honest, I don't think you can make it in this game if you don't have money. You have to have money, and you have to come into the to this game with the mindset of just supplementing your uh, payments of your expenses. So like instead of spending all your fortnightly wage on this expense or that expense, then you could say, okay, for this expense, I'm going to use trading to take care of these expenses. But start small, man. Start small. Maybe start with like paying your fuel or like paying for a meal. So yeah, start small and then slowly, gradually make your way up. Like slowly start paying off your bigger expenses. Yeah, eventually you're gonna live off it. Ideally, I like to trade in the mornings, but um, I mean, I think in the mornings that's where we're gonna be fresh. But trading in the afternoon is not that bad too. Like if I get a loss or a win, I can always spend time with my kids after, and then sleep it off. Come back fresh the next day. Work on my other businesses during the day, and then once that is done, I can always come onto the charts after like 4, 5, 6, whatever I want. So, I try not to rush to the charts. Uh, whatever time I come onto the charts, my mentality is um, just take whatever the market's gonna give me at that point. I mean, some people rush to the charts and be like, "Oh shit, I missed a move and I missed a move. I should have got that move." But that's gone. That's history. Like usually, if I come late to the charts, I'll be like, "Oh man, I should have been here to catch this move right here." But when I came into the charts and did my analysis, price was already retracing at this level, so I figured, you know what, I'll see where price can go next. Retrace, continue, and then we just capitalize off it. So don't really dwell on moves that you may have potentially missed. I mean, it's always good to look at them, see how you could have capitalized on them, but really, can't do anything about it. It's gone. You just have to see where price can go next. That's all. So, I mean, just some little tips and tricks here and there that you have to, you know, trick your mind sometimes. It's not that easy, but um, eventually it's gonna be okay. Yeah, I pretty much don't have volume right now. This is what could happen sometimes with gold. Um, wherever I put my stop loss um that wide because I'm anticipating that price could retrace a little bit into the into like I'm okay with being in a drawdown. Um, Even though it may seem like a big drawdown to be in, but you know before coming into trading, I decided to risk some of my profits that I made throughout the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday were all profitable days, so I just decided to risk some of those profits. So if we do get into drawdown, I'm totally fine with it. My stops are not tight. I'm not gonna be uncomfortable or anything. Overall, I think just based on my analysis, I think overall price should continue drawing bullish. I mean, for this day, for today. But I might call it a session. I'm gonna set alerts to see how I can manage risk or take some profits off the table. But it's going up to 7 o'clock now, and I just go get ready for dinner. I will post the outcome of this trade on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, if you want to see how this trade played out, I mean, if you want to see how this trade plays out, then I'll post it on Instagram. But otherwise, I think I am done streaming. I'm not done trading, but I'm done streaming right now. it's just gold's not moving right now. Let's see. Unemployment claims coming out tonight, so we'll see. We'll see. Actually, we're gonna stay till 7, and then we're gonna call it a session because we might have volume coming in towards the back end of the hour. We also have this forward candle closing too, so it's gonna be interesting to see how it closes. No, I don't gamble. I personally don't gamble. I think if you're a gambler coming into trading, that's kind of, I mean, that's extremely dangerous. Because then it's like having a pokies machine in your bedroom. So yeah, I don't know how to gamble. I haven't tried any gambling. No, I don't gamble at all. Holy shit. This thing is getting interesting now. It's getting pretty interesting. Yeah, we might come back deep into drawdown right now. We have the just looking at the 50-minute time frame on the right hand side of my screen. We have 50-minute candles kind of closing below the resistance over here, but um, I mean below support. We have a 50-minute candle closure below support on the 50-minute time frame, but I'm actually gonna ignore this right now. I think the higher time frame overall is pretty strong. So we had two 50-minute candles to go up over here, and we had look bullish, bullish momentum. We're still gonna have some bullish momentum coming in. Trust me on this. Look, we have from this price level over here at 1895 right now. We had two 50-minute candles to come up to 1997.50. But look at how many candles it took from 1950 to come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It just didn't come down. So price is really starting to come down, meaning we have some bullish momentum bound to come in. So I'm still I'm still hopeful that I'm not hopeful, but I still think that could definitely continue trading bullish. Yeah, guys, at this point, just added my full risk, max allocated risk for the session now. expecting a fake out on the previous 1 hour candle to potentially rip towards the highs again. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it a session. I'll catch you guys tomorrow during London session. We'll see how this trade plays out.